Quran is the word of Allah.
Yes.
Listen, you are a witness. You are a witness. He says the word of Allah. The Allah of Quran says La ilaha illallah. Who is the Allah of Allah?
La ilaha illallah. Not la ilaha illallah. La ilaha
illallah. I told you now, according to your voice, you heard now. The Allah says La ilaha illallah. Who is the Allah of Allah?
There is no Allah.
So Allah says in the Quran, La ilaha illallah.
Just like it says in your book of Christians.
No, don't.
I'm the beginning.
No, don't talk about the
Did I say?
Yes.
Talk about the Quran.
Yes.
Allah says, La ilaha illallah. Who is the Allah of Allah?
Allah is.
Who is the Allah of Allah?
He's translating it wrong, my brother.
I know what he's
Now
doing.
he's wrong.
No, what is he doing?
La ilaha illallah.
Just tell him what. Tell him. What does that mean, La ilaha? Because La ilaha. What does that mean?
Basically, rough translation. There is
I will
only.
explain. Wait, it
There's
says
only-
there is no other deity or no God than Allah.
Allah, there's only.
Yeah,
yes.
so it is Allah's Allah. Who is that Allah's Allah? Because it is Allah's word. Allah says there is no God but Allah.
Yes.
Now the small Allah, there Allah says there is no God.
Small Allah.
There is no Allah. Who is this Allah? Who is this Allah? Because you are asked, Allah says, not my Allah. Quran-
Allah says, right, that man shall come and he shall ridicule Islam.
No,
and he
don't
shall
run
be very
away.
No,
bad
let him. Now Surah 16 verse 4. Can you read?
Yeah, what's Surah 16?
Surah 16 verse 4. Read it. Do you would like
Created man
from
from a germ. Is it?
Clay.
No. From a German, says mean like, you know.
Let me
Can you read it before? Before, can you read it before?
Can he?
Read it before. Read it
Before
before.
also, before we'll read.
Read it before.
He
Read it
created
before.
man from a sperm drop. Then at once
He became
is
the
clear adversary.
adversary.
Can you read it
Now,
before?
yeah, we are coming to
No,
that.
no.
Go back.
Can you read it before? Go back. Read it before.
Well, let me come to the question.
No.
You read it from before and then you come back to the question.
Okay.
He's picking house with the
Yeah,
Quran.
I know.
Now,
Repeat it.
Surah 16. Now is the fun of Allah. Because you said read before.
Yes, read it before.
He commanded the command of Allah. You read. You the one. You can read the command of Allah. The
The
Surah
command
1.
of Allah
Surah
is
16
coming. So be not impatient for it. Exalted is
I've got an easy
he
answer
is
for you
high
for that.
above what they associate with him.
Okay.
Right.
There's nothing, no meaning.
Stop,
Now
stop.
wait. No.
You've lost. You know why you've lost?
What was lost?
I'll tell you why
He
you've
created
lost.
man from.
Hold on.
Ask a
I'll tell
question.
you why
Ask
you've
him.
lost.
Let him
I'll tell you why
answer.
you've
Let him
lost.
answer.
Have you ever heard the expression, things get lost in translation? Have you ever heard that word? Things get lost in translation. The word of Allah is written in Arabic. When you translate it into Chinese, Indian, Portuguese, whatever, then the word of Allah
Wait,
stops
let him
being the word
talk.
of Allah
He has to
and
speak.
becomes something else.
He will put Allah in
Do you
the problem.
understand?
Now,
The
can you read
word
in
of
Arabic?
Allah is written in Arabic, should be
Can you
read
read
in Arabic, not
You will see
translated
why
in English
the
or
translation is
Japanese.
not fully
Let
fulfilled.
him answer.
He created, Allah created man from sperm
Can
drop.
you read in Arabic?
Who is this man created by
It's
Allah's
not
word?
written the same in
He
Arabic.
created
It's
man.
not written
Can you read
the
in
same.
Arabic?
Okay, I'll
Read
read
in
it.
Arabic.
It's not written in Arabic like this.
I'll read it for you
And you
in
will see
Arabic.
why the translation
It's
is not really
different.
fulfilled. And you will see why.
That's why people learn Arabic, madrasas, so they can read the Quran correctly. Not written by English or Chinese or
So
Portuguese.
Allah is Arabic. Originally, is it?
Huh?
Why God they made in Arabic?
No, the Quran was written in Arabic. The Quran originally was written in Arabic.
Allah is
Because
Arabic.
they were the people that were first people that were given the word. Just like the Jews were given the Torah. You know, it's written in Hebrew.
But
It's not written in
Hebrew and
Chinese or
Greek.
Japanese, is it?
So if you're a professor, yeah, or if you do any kind of like say if you write something.
So,
This is where religion goes wrong, when there's gets lost in translation.
16,
There is no translation to it. So what we have to do then? We have to learn Portuguese, isn't it?
And what people do is if they can't get the right word, they get the nearest word that makes sense to them.
It's not too late. You don't have. It's not too late, mate. It's not too late.
So that means
Every day we learn.
speak Arabic or read Arabic, you can't get a clear meaning.
You still have a brain to learn.
Kalakal al-insan. Hey, kalakal al-insan nafsa mubin. You are
Majnoon.
you are Majnoon. Kalakal al-insan. Kalakal al-insan. Kalakal
What have you got a
al-insan
degree
nafsa
in?
batin.
What have you got a degree in?
Pardon?
You obviously have a degree in something. You're
I have
educated.
a degree in Arabic now.
No,
I have
no,
a doctor's degree
You know
in
what your problem
Arabic.
is?
He says,
See, the
Allah removed the sperm drop. How Allah removed the sperm drop? Tell me. Who is this man created by Allah's sperm? Surah says, Surah 16 verse
It doesn't
says,
say that.
verse says,
It doesn't say that.
Hey, who says he created man from sperm drop? Allah removed the sperm.
In the Islamic, Islamic belief,
Can sperm be created in
No,
the laboratory?
no, no,
Can
no,
sperm be
no, no. Yeah.
Sperm has to remove. Sperm has to remove.
Yes.
Right.
Poo has to remove. Poo. Urine has to remove. Urine cannot be created in the
You read in
laboratory.
Arabic? Have you read it in Arabic?
I read it.
Okay, come on, go ahead. Again, I want to listen. If you will,
Kalakal al-insan.
yes. Khalaqa al-insan, yeah.
Nuft.
He likes you.
I've started to sleep.
Yeah, like me. Yeah.
That's your bum. He likes you. See, you got him excited mentioning C.
Now, who is this man? Who is this
Can you read in
man?
Arabic?
Who is this
We are
man?
listening. We are listening.
Who is this man created by Allah's sperm? Who is this man created by Allah's sperm?
Sperm.
He is created by Allah's sperm.
No,
The Arabic trainer hiding him from that.
my friend. Allah doesn't say that.
Allah, what Allah says?
That's it.
Okay, now another person. Okay.
Read what he said.
خلق
خلق الإنسان من نطفة فإذا هو خصيم. You see, which is me. You see. Allah He knows everything.
Yes.
Hold on. Just let me for a minute,
Okay.
and then you can carry on. Allah knows everything.
Put the camera on him.
Put the camera or put television if you want. Hold on. Allah knows everything. You see, when a woman is pregnant, no scientist ever can know when she is 3 days pregnant. No scientist can know is it a boy or a girl. Right. When a man sleep with his wife, hold on, just listen. When a man sleep with his wife, right, Allah know how that child is going to be created. Allah doesn't say in the Quran, that is not say in the Quran, which is when Allah bring the sperm and threw it into the woman. It doesn't exist. Allah say man and woman are married, they sleep together with each other, and Allah know what
they
is going,
conceive, and
how
they
they
know when they're gonna
conceive,
conceive.
and they know that child was going to happen. So if you have a Quran, I have one too. So we can read from here too. You can tell me the verse and the chapter and we read it through. So, but don't bring something you don't understand. You can get a Quran in English, translated, and then you read that one and you know the meaning. But don't say Allah brought the sperm. Now what? What chapter is that? What? Excuse me.
Now, you broke Allah's command, Allah's promise. Allah's promise that Quran cannot be changed.
You are a worship a cow, that's why. Because you're Indian.
What is your chapter?
You worship a cow.
What is the chapter and the verse? Don't tell lies.
I'm not changing.
Don't tell lies.
Now,
What
Allah's
is the
promise
chapter and the verse?
to save the Quran. Allah's promise to save the Quran. You broke the promise.
No.
You added that
I
here
explained to
Allah
you.
has a son.
No.
Allah has a male child.
Allah has no
Allah
son.
has a male child.
Where?
Allah created man.
Where?
Allah created man.
India.
I created man.
Which
I created male
Which
child.
chapter and the verse?
I removed. Okay.
What is the
Okay.
chapter and the verse? This is a Quran.
Surah
What is the chapter and the verse?
Surah 16 verse 4.
How did Allah create
Surah
Adam?
16 verse 4.
How did Allah create
removed
Adam?
the sperm.
Tell him to Adam, how did he
Allah-
create Adam? Allah, how did he create Adam? According to the Quran.
No, Surah 16 verse 4. Allah removed the sperm. How Allah
Are
removed the
you
sperm?
crazy or not?
Allah removed why?
Where?
Allah is crazy, not I. Not me. Allah is crazy.
He's crazy.
You're
Allah is not a doctor.
Understand?
Allah is not a doctor in the hospital to remove the sperm.
Knowledge. You don't have knowledge.
Now, can you?
What's cool? What is
This Surah 94. Can you read?
I'm reading Surah 94.
94, one chapter,
He
first
will not
word.
expand for you, O Muhammad, your breast.
Okay. Allah says, Allah expand his breast, Muhammad's breast. How big it was of Muhammad's breast? Why you want a woman's breast?
This is chapter 6,
Why?
verse 4.
Why?
This is chapter 6,
Quran,
verse
not
4.
loving, not loving, only for yourself.
Why Allah want? Why Muhammad
Hold
want?
on.
Why Muhammad want woman's breast?
Now,
Why?
This
You
Quran,
moved-
this
you
Quran.
moved from one
Because you
chapter
change,
to another.
you
now.
change, you are bigger than, you are bigger than
Okay.
Allah. You
What?
are bigger. What's your name?
أعوذ
What's your
بالله
name?
من الشيطان. Alibaba.
Ali Baba
You
is
are a shaitan.
Akbar. Ali
You are
Baba
a
who
shaitan.
Akbar.
Ali Baba.
Allah is not Akbar. Ali Baba who Akbar.
You
Ali
Ali
Baba
Baba.
who
You Ali
Akbar.
Baba.
Ali Baba who
I am
Akbar.
Alibaba.
Ali Baba who Akbar. You are bigger than Allah because Allah's promise
You
you
are
broke today.
Hallelujah.
You broke
What is
Allah's
the other
promise.
verse?
You are
What
broke.
is the other verse?
You are
What is
broke.
the other verse? What is the other verse?
Surah 94. Surah 94.
You move now to 96.
Because you don't want to, you change it. Surah 94, verse 1. Why Muhammad want woman's breast? Why Allah made his breast? Allah says he expand his breast.
You're translating.
Look, can you read? He expand his breast. He made it big. Allah made Mama's breast. Allah made Mama's breast big. Why Allah made Mama's breast big? Allah made woman.
I will read
Allah
it.
gave.
You see, you know
Allah
why
gave.
you are
Allah
angry.
gave Muhammad woman's breast.
You know why you are
Allah
angry.
did- Why
you
Muhammad
are
did
angry.
transplant? I'm not angry. I'm happy.
In
Because
your
Muhammad
country,
got a
why do you worship
big breast.
cow in India? Why you worship cow in India?
Yes,
Why-
answer,
why-
answer.
Why you
Answer the
worship
question.
cow?
Because
Answer.
cow
In India
doesn't
you
know.
worship
No, no,
cow.
you're-
Does Allah
The
knows
Hindu
Allah is
worship
God?
cow.
Does Allah knows?
Hindu.
Answer you. Why the Hindu
I'm coming.
worship
I'm
cow?
coming. I'm
Why
answering.
the Hindu worship cow?
Yes,
Because
answer.
cow doesn't know. Cow
Eat
doesn't
grass.
know.
Animal,
We
animal.
eat the cow. We eat it.
Excellent. You have very good
We eat
strong
your
body.
goat.
Strong body protein.
You're
Why?
good. We eat it in McDonald's every day.
Allah gave Muhammad woman's breast and the bigger one. Why gave Allah the bigger breast?
94.
Why? Why Allah? Why
Can I go
Allah?
back to what I said to you?
Okay.
I will find
That is translated, it's been mistranslated.
He's a scholar. Are you a scholar? He is a scholar.
Who says he's a scholar?
He's a Sayya International, the biggest of Islam. The pillar, the strong pillar of Islam translated.
Listen.
Strong
The Quran
pillar.
can not only be
Do you know
understood.
pillar? You know what is pillar?
Can only be understood fully in Arabic. If you read Arabic, you understand the Quran.
So now
If
you said
translate the
you
Quran
want a
from
trainer.
Arabic to English,
You
it's
want
not
an Arabic
working.
trainer
It's
to
not
train you.
working. It is not
You will not
working.
understand
It's not
Quran
working.
to train. You need. You
All right,
need.
I'll give you example.
You
I'll give you
need.
example.
It's not for Arabic. And Allah never said, "Oh Ibn Arab."
No.
Allah never said.
Like I tried to explain. All right, but please listen to me.
What is the verse you see, 94?
First verse.
The Torah, yeah, which is the Jewish religion, yeah? It's written in
Surah
Hebrew. Am I correct?
94 verse 1.
In Hebrew. No, the Torah is the Jewish religion. It's written in Hebrew. Okay? The Islamic religion, right, it's written in Arabic because that's where it was established. Okay? In Arabic. Right? When you take a language and translate it into another language, you're always in the danger of
Where are you going?
Yeah, I'm
Guys,
representing what you're
why
trying to
please
do.
tell us? Yes.
No, listen, my friend.
Oh, listen.
Right,
Can
and
I
then
read
Oh,
it?
brother, listen. Listen, Arabic training.
Let me read it. Allah say, ألم نشرح لك صدرك ووضعنا عنك وزرك الذي أنقض ظهرك ورفعنا لك ذكرك. Allah say, listen what I say. He say, your chest, not breast.
Breast,
Not,
see?
not teeth. Chest. صدرك.
You're lying. What is this? The scholar says.
ألم نشرح لك صدرك. My brother, is here, the same. Here, ألم نشرح لك صدرك.
He got
say
a
your
big
chest.
breast. The chest is a breast.
Stupid or not?
Chest is a breast.
Brother, it's not
Chest
the
is a
breast.
breast. He got a big breast.
Chest.
He got a big breast.
Does anybody speak Arabic and English?
He's a breast.
Hold on, does
He's a
he-
big chest. Okay.
The man is crazy. In Arabic, sadrak is chest.
No, what is
Not.
breast?
What is breast in Arabic? In Arabic.
Well, you should know if you speak Arabic. You try to make fool.
He's not Arab. He's not Arab. He's Indian. He's Indian.
He's an Iranian.
Yes, Persian, he's Persian.
He's an Iranian. Don't try to make fool out of us.
I'm just asking.
All right, an That's breast. Bazula. Yeah.
No, that is
Bazula.
no, the breast in Arabic, real Arabic.
What is it?
No,
Do you want me to keep the Google
It's a
translation?
real Arab. You know what is the breast?
No, I'm from India.
When Allah said, "Oh, Bani Arab,"
Sadrak is a
when
chest.
guys, when Allah said, "Oh, Bani Arab," when Allah said, "Oh, Bani Arab, listen to me," "Oh, Bani Arab, listen to me," when Allah said, "Oh, Bani Arab, listen to me," why your Arabs are dancing?
Hold on.
Why Arabs are dancing? Why Muhammad was dancing?
Look, hold on. There is many names for breast.
Okay, but
Hold
how
on.
do you say
Can I ask you? There is many names for breast because there is people in different countries and they use dialect. Do you understand what I mean? But Allah did not use the word breast in the Quran.
How do you say
It's not
chest?
there.
Wait a minute. How do you say
Sadrak,
How do you say
sadrak.
breast?
That's chest.
How do you say it?
This even Morocco. In Morocco we say Bazula.
Okay,
You know,
but how do
right?
you say breast?
In Nigeria,
Don't tell me
we
what-
say in
Hang on a
Azura.
second.
It's
Hang
not
on.
there.
Hang on. Okay.
Breast is not there.
Okay, but how do you say
He
it?
planted there.
No, but how
I'm
do you
not
say it in
planting.
Arabic?
It's
How
the
do you say
scholar
it?
I
says.
told you.
Scholar says, Allah expanded, gave
Look,
a woman's
Sadrak is
breast.
a chest.
Woman's
It's a
breast.
chest.
Allah gave the breast. Allah gave the breast.
It's a
Allah
chest.
gave the scholar says. Scholar. Don't
No, I told you in
Not me.
Morocco.
The scholar. The scholar.
You ask an Arab from Saudi Arabia, he will tell you.
To whom you are translating?
Ask a Saudi Arabia or Kuwaiti, he will tell you. In Morocco we have our dialogue with Zula. So what? But Allah doesn't say
The
here.
biggest translator. The
Allah
pillar of
doesn't say here.
Islam. Pillar of Islam.
Yes.
The pillar of Islam. Yeah, pillar of Islam.
Five pillars. Five.
The Saya International
Five.
accepted.
Five
The
pillars.
Saya International says
In
Allah
where?
made Muhammad's breast
ألم
big.
يشرح لك صدرك. Chest.
Muhammad's breast big.
Hold on. You want to go there?
Where is the chest in the Quran?
You want to go there?
You don't even
Right,
understand your own language.
If you want to go there, if you want to be cynical,
Why
if
do
you
you
want to be
worship
cynical-
cows?
Allah never said, "Oh, Bani Arab, worship me."
All right.
You just dancing.
on,
Why
hold on,
Muhammad is
hold on.
dancing? Why Muhammad is
Hold on,
dancing?
hold
I
on.
never told. Why Muhammad is
Hold
dancing?
Hare Krishna.
Hold on.
Hare Krishna.
Oh,
Hare Krishna.
Bani
All right,
Muhammad.
look, a man, hold on. Hold on.
Kissing
A
the
man
black
has
stone.
listen.
Kissing the black stone. Kissing the black stone.
A man has a nipple. Hold on. A man has a
we
nipple.
have.
A woman has a
We have.
nipple. It doesn't mean that because the man's got a nipple, he's got a
Allah
breast, does
said in
it?
the Quran, إِنَّا أَنزَلْنَاهُ قُرْآنًا عَرَبِيًّا. We reveal it in Arabic. We don't dance.
Come on, sir. He likes supporting camera. Come on, come on.
Now answer my question.
Surah 112. Surah 112.
The noise. Yeah, he's here.
Let's do it.
Why? Do we need to set up this one also? Yeah, why? Can we do that now? Or I tell him in 5 minutes. Yeah. Europe? 5 minutes, yeah. I'll just see if I can get any Muslim cameramen. So, no, Raw did say. Oh, fine, yeah. Yes, go find out. Well, you go find him out. There, so you're the track. He's running to work long hours. So you are available now, Leon? They will want to go into Iceland. Then, the next generation, we need to bring in some more.
Yeah, it was an interesting one. It was an interesting one that I got here. How do you say He kept saying, no.